Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. Tonight we're going to be doing a fall themed girls' night in. So I wanted to go ahead and get as much of the prep work done before my friend got here as possible. That way we could really just enjoy our time together. So starting out, I am making just a small charcuterie board for us to enjoy and nibble on throughout the evening. I'm sure many of you are very familiar with these salami roses, but they're super easy to make, so I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you guys. I do these very often, and all you have to do is take a champagne flute or even a wine glass as well will work, and you just layer that salami over each other in kind of like a staggered motion as tight as you can. And then you just flip the glass over, and it's best if you can put the salami up against something to help kind of like keep that molded shape. And it's just that easy. When it comes to charcuterie boards, I make these pretty often, but there really is no rhyme or reason on where you place things. If you know something's gonna maybe get soggy, you kind of avoid it near the colder fruits. But honestly, I've learned the more chaos that your board has and the less symmetry, I feel like they end up looking better. And hey, no judgment here. So if you want to make this truly a spiked apple cider, I say go for it. know these may not look like the most appealing treat, but let me tell you guys, they are absolutely delicious and they were so, so easy to make. Now, while those caramel apple bites are baking away in the oven, I wanted to go ahead and get a head start on some of the spa treatment activities that we're going to be doing. So there's nothing like a true spa experience, but there's little touches that we can do at home to kind of add that same kind of feeling and vibe. So warming up some damp towels and you put some essential oils on them. You leave them in the crock pot for several hours, and then that way, whenever you're ready to clean your face mask off later, it is ready to go, and these warm washcloths just give that real spa feel. At this point, my friend Madison had arrived, so we went ahead and started enjoying some of these tasty treats while watching a movie. We both have two little kids, ages 4 and under, and so nights like these where we can just really enjoy each other's company without the kids running around with some peace and quiet is really just something that helps fill your bucket as a mom, as a parent, and I just think everybody needs these nights with a good friend. We spent the entire night watching some of our favorite fall movies, laughing the entire night away, sipping some wine, and honestly just enjoying each other's company. Okay, there might have been a little dancing too. I pray that Trader Joe's brings this pumpkin overnight mask back because I absolutely love it. Poor Madison, all night long. She just kept finding dried mask all over her face. I pray that each and every one of you watching this video has a friend like Madison that you can just let your hair down with. No judgment, not a care in the world, and just enjoying each other's company. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.